Hello there, nice to see you. In this video, we can see my Austarhobby 8809 rising from the dead. Previously we had collected parts for our IR60, but we were left only with the body and parts of the chassis. I had planned to rebuild by replacing only the parts used in the previous build, but after research, I decided that it's cheaper and more fun to go another way. Sit back and enjoy.
Welcome to Microplanet RC. Today we have the resurrection of the Austarhobby 8808 or 8809, I can't recall. If you follow the channel, you see I got this over a month ago, very cheap, and I used the parts to do the IR60 build that's right here. So I used the axles and the servo for that build. Mind, the servo I will change because that servo it's a bit weak for the IR60 and for this one too. So I have already two 9i mod 7 kilograms servo to install. Now let's talk about the Austarhobby. That's the one that we have here. So let me take out the body from the rest of the shell. Yes, what we left is the body, and this has the electronics, the motor, and the on and off switch. So I went on the internet. Firstly, I was looking for some axles to replace the axles and the servo, but I found out that was cheaper. There was another cheaper way in my head. Let's see. Okay, and here it is, a whole new chassis, complete with no electronics, with wheels and axles. Complete. This is I think Wishido. I don't know the I can't know the name of. I will put it on screen. The brand. It was 30 something euros, so it was very cheap. It was cheaper to buy this than to get the axle kit and the servo. So I measured the prices, and for I think 3 or 4 euros more I could get the chassis with the 2-speed transmission. As you can see, this has two servos in it. So I bought it not thinking about the electronics, because the Austarhobby electronics, the gearbox, mind, doesn't have 2-speed transmission. I don't know if one of these channels are connected to the 3-speed transmission. It's something I will find out alongside you guys. Now, as you can see, there are some difference here on the mudguards. These are a bit wider, yeah, and the bumpers. This bumper, although it's very sexy, it doesn't fit the body. I already tried it. So I will need to harvest the electronics, the on and off button, and the bumpers to this chassis, and see from there. So yeah. Well, first major setback. The bumpers went good, but the electronics not so good. I managed to get it working the normal way without the two-speed transmission working, but if I have it, I want to install it. Now, if you are following this is not a guide, but if you are following this and you don't have any other way, you are screwed. But I have an old ESC here that I will install alongside the receiver. I buy these PD6Fs at the backfull. I have plenty of them, so if you don't have any spare EXCs, you can buy the Austarhobby normal chassis and do the conversion like that. But I wanted that because this is Microplanet RC, I wanted the two-speed transmission, but to get it I will need to install this ESC. It's smaller, so it will fit nicely there, and the receiver I will fit it here, or I will fit it somewhere that it works. Maybe I will sandwich it alongside the ESC and glue them there, both on the, or maybe on top, one on top and one on the side. Yeah, but this is of course temporary, because I'm going to go brushless at some point. I already have the parts, I just need to collect them. I have the parts lying around. I have the ESC in my WPL. I will use the ESC I have on my WPL, but that's another build. But for now it's going to remain brushed with this motor, and it's going to be 2 speeds as I planned. So some soldering is required. I will need to harvest. I will of course try not to destroy this. I will cut the leads a bit longer, because if I in a pinch need to reuse this. By the way, as you can see, this is the Austarhobby receiver and the ESC. As you can see, you can go swimming with it. It's pretty much resin filled, the box, so I cannot unsolder the wires. I will use the on-off button, so I will cut the wires for the battery and solder them on my new ESC. This ESC I had it on my WPL the first time I upgraded it. So this is a good ESC, very strong. I'm guessing this will work fine. And alongside the receiver, I will have access to all the functions on this chassis. So for now I will solder. I will spare you that solder moment. The next clip will be this all installed and working. Alright, I got it working. All that soldering paid through. So okay, I have it working with this 5-euro ESC, and it works fine. I have the gear selector working. If you want, I can show you how you do this, how you work the gears. So if you see here, I have it on channel 6, but I am working it on channel 7 on the radio. What you need to do is remap channel 6 to switch 7, and then go to page 6 to auxiliary channel, and you go to K7 and you fine tune the position of the servo like that. And then if you want more fine tuning or less fine tuning, you go here and you adjust the channel 6 on the subtrim page, which page number 5. Yeah, and that's it. Now let me assemble the rest. Let me manage the cables, glue the stuff in, and put the wheels on, and yeah, and for the final reveal. Okay, it's a reveal. Okay, see you in a second. All right, the cables are managed. I opted to glue everything on top of the servo. So this system is, oh my god, it's very quiet. You can hear a little whine, but not too much. It's very, very inexpensive. It's like €5 or something. It's stupid cheap. Now let's put the body on. The body goes on as it did, as with all these JJRCs and Austarhobbys. We need to fiddle the thing so it can attach. No, it is on the back. It's still not. Yeah, now it is. Okay, it's a bit fiddly, the fitting. So as you can see, we have still have a little room on the sides, because the mud guards are for the other body, I think the Wrangler body. But here on the front, I think it fits nicely. As you can see, the motor is hitting the servo mount. Maybe we can, if I would keep this setup, I would have to relocate that, or maybe trim a bit of that. Yeah, he's back. My boy is back. And he's very, very smooth. Almost brushless. I almost missed him. Now I have 2 TRX4M based. Now next video you will see these two. She's a bit heavier. You will see these two going on my track, and see which one goes over those obstacles. This one already went through the obstacles. There's nothing she can't go. She goes through everything, as you can see. And yeah, funny fact, right in the end of the video, in this build, you saw me build this car, and I had something wrong. I had the front links mounted wrong. The curved part were on the skid plate, and I noticed that only yesterday. So yesterday I put the links on the right position, because the curved part it's on the axle side, not on the skid plate side. So fool, I was a fool, and nobody saw that. Nobody called me out. Yeah, no, I called myself out. As you will see on the video, I put this wrong. Now they are on right. She's sitting nice. This is a lovely build. Now with these bumpers, maybe I will make something out of them. Something that, yeah. But that's for another video. Right now, this build is done. The car is running as it was right before the sacrifice for the R60 build. Yes, better than ever, and yeah. I am so happy with this. Now I have 2 of them working. Yeah, this is all for now, guys. If you like the video, leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment. Visit me on Instagram, Facebook. It's dying. I think I am going to delete my Facebook page because it's not going anywhere, and I cannot change the name to Microplanet. And yeah, that's all for now, guys. See you in the next one.
Goodbye for now. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Microplanet RC, small scale, big passion.